news kandi omugeni witwa mtungire omwami so twine RDC ahabwa Rwampara omwami Katera turi abageni twakwakira sebo
yego sebo nanye nashemerwa munonga kandi ugaruka kubashanga
nito twakira omurama gwiterizo abantu enda kureba obwiro buturumu tuyo mbwire twine covid tekarugireho kandi covid twireho tekarugire naza tutahizemo karuru actually na waro uburura harengo rwihanga eri kushana nk'emivuyerumu ninga shemivuyerumu neyetorora SOPs so emirundi mingi nimo mko executinga ebibiriyo nibigenderwa waza kuza ahantu shange hweki emitendereriyeti bamwe ombako etombwita nibagira ngo harumunka twakweta nko kuharahazwa konga kandi abikwata abantu bagira ngo ntwenda kukiriza ebi na hato mbugufu RDC waza kutora musyaho abakutureba konka ombwiro how should we conduct ourselves
babari munonga nintekateka ngu endagiro y'aba Minister of Health amwe na Electoral Commission ikaba erikiriya kandi yine kigenderwa cyo kubanza cyabyona uburwire ubu bwa COVID-19 bukatandika umwaka ubu gutandikire kandi nko kurigirira a constitution y'ihanga ikanegamba ngo buri myaka 5 yamara kubaho habeho okutera karuru abantu baronde abebimbezi babo abakwenda so cha coinciding in fact waza kuranza ubu covid yatandika mu kwezi kwa kashatu tarbo wabe na manyangu neza ko mariyari so president yagumiza na mu kwezi kwa mushanju ari kuliftinga arguma na yiburaho n'amahanga gandaga kuyiburaho so a constitutional provision igeta kikiriza ngo akaruru kongerweyo so now inkihanga bastama bagira ngo akaruru kashemye kongerwayo kandi kongerwe kata kandi kiyetaga twaza kuzo mu process yo kwamendinga constitution ubwire nabwe kandi buzako so nabwo ikintu tubasa gukora akaruru umumberero nuko futekaho amateka uko abantu barakore akaruru one beyambise television beyambise radios ikindi bakore meetings zitarararize na processions so ekibuzo kikaba ibyo nibibasika ansa negira ngo ego cyo kubanza cyabyona noteka posters zawe ahantu icyakabiri nokora meetings zitakurenze abantu 200 icyakashatu abantu abo bawe bashimirwa bajwire mask kandi bakunabo mu ngaro n'ingabine sanitizers so icyo bagira ngo icyo ni kindi kikubasa kubasika cyo kubanza cyabyona umuntu yaba namanya embere eruho kugira ngo wabara koreki no basa kurwara ofi so nekizibu kureba ngo abamwe ba politicians icyo bangire kukihabura abantu hatu bo bayenda ngo bakore excitement katurebe iki government yarakore no iza kuranze ka his excellency the president owabire ari champion wo kugambira ihanga cyo kubanza cyabyo no babiraragira ngo rukoze mu lockdown icya kabiri akagaruka akagumana abagambira na ngambira abanya-Uganda okugondere beragiro wowe nyine nuwe number 1 hatu kugondere beragiro abo kubanka hati bona buri yo muri kuza kureba iyarukuza tajiri mu bantu takozere processions kumanyisa ngo tayine bantu hati no kuza iyarukuza gukora meetings estarengera abantu 200 n'umuntu nabanza yaceberwa actually nintekateka ngo ikintu kibasa kurugamo na mass testing yihanga ryona ahubwo ko hata abantu bona bakuza kureba meeting ya president buri yo muna banza bamucebera kandi icyo ni mutekateka nkunoja ngo kibona kikozirwe naba candidates abandi at the end of the day twantuza coveringa a very big percentage
who meets the costs zo kucebera bari kuza kuvugana presidential candidate
the candidate more meeting a cost
but you know that very well kugira ngo turyo mu nabasa abamwe tubine na transport
ikashika bakwaseka babwine sente zo kushashura kwemera miliyoni 20 manyati ikindi kwenda kugambire ninyenda ngo Uganda yakahire ngo for example in America in the United States of America iyo rukushanga twene hatwena tugira ngo tube nka America if you don't have wabotine financial capacity to kubasa kwemerera bwa president wa America wabota kubasa ku financing your campaign for example kugira ngo wine publicity media coverage, then you don't even campaign, you don't stand. So ushemere kuba nogira uti now nyenda kwemerera ikwembere ihanga ya Uganda hariko bikwetabwa nkiri I can do this. Hati bwo bota urukandida urukujya ngo tuyine sente zo kubasa kuteza ibishani ya posters urukandida utakubasa kwiza nka television ngaho kagura airtime urukandida utakubasa kubona motoka ezaratwara abantu bawe hati iwe no urukandida. So icyo kinagamba kiragero konka these are some of the requirements izotaka avoiding. So now ni intero muranga abantu bagezeho abo kwanyone ngambere uburwiro buruho bukwasira abantu bukatandikira China, mbuga ya America, mbuga ya Brazil, mbuga Italy, abantu people died. Now hatandika kufa aburi kumanya n'amazina, hatu batandika kufa aburi kumanya n'amazina, abantu batandika kukangarana ngo nguburwiro buruho. So twantoranze nk'aba bantu especially the young generation kandi ni uburyo mwebembeze kwenda kuba mwebembeze ukashanga utakubasa kubaha brutingo bantu mumwe twari mpora utakubasa gambira ba coordinators bawe ukabagira uti nyenda kwije umwanya ogwe kunkani nyenda mumushange kw'imbere y'iki ikintu gikoro amwanya gwo kugira ngo police ibintu yakora icyo wabiriwe nk'umuntu ushimire kuba nokora
omukuru RDC twine hano uyu mwami imekatera tuyabajin RDC abo district ya Rwampara tuganira hakiri kugenda misho okutushemeye kwetu wazo mu bwirobo konga na munonga twantugamba ari cyo ntizira muna nebitwarebere most of you RDCs muri ya choose ningashi abantu abesimbreho nawana n'abantu baburijabo nibajyangu muri yo numukora partisan politics mu bwirobo umuntu narugaha naza kuzamwanya nanka numucika cike imhanda utarabaha ndabira kuriya abantu nibagira mu inengere y'imur directly involved into partisan politics.
Thank you so much. Nchiza kurigiro uri kukigamba no. One, turiyo tugamba campaigns. Hati to kubasa kuresta kugira ngo turete umuntu akore campaign ayijagati yambarara. Yeta kuna High Street, Mackenzie Street akorereho urupunganye. Tukabasa kugira ngo twikirize umuntu ayize umuboma ground akorereho urugunganye. Why? Twine high court sessions going on. Twine university hife going on. Watere bidongo byawe umucishaharuguru. Hati notekateka utari interested mu campaign yawe. Are you doing a disservice or disservice? Campaign tukimanyisa ngo all government services on standstill ngo abantu bazo mu campaign. Business must continue. For example, twine chaji tunacheza kacheka hano. Hati kacheka is an open ground. Taruchuru. We have granted it. Nangwa mutajiri no kushipangisa. Mwije mukore advert mugambira abantu banyu babashange kacheka mutandike mubagambire cy'umukwenda. Ijo amuriyat nanka umwami tumukunde ayizere Rwampara. Twamuha ecishaha ecyakinuni arubajuguru gutaho. Ubwo nangwa tukagira ngo aho nabasa kuza yateka hotende hakatariho umuntu no kuyaza yashanga abantu batariho entebe zimusha yayinangwaje azagati yeno y'uruguto ayeta ba boda aba dressing. Is that a campaign? Twaserenanka amuriyat twagira ngo tukubasa kuteka hagati ya Nyihanga town twine kwicaha kitu iyi president akira kuvuga ndabantu cya kitunguru president kwa barukunuye yanatayera Rwampara ni ya addressing rarize ni yakora ki bani yo wasa twabone yateka tende zikakashanga 10 hakatariho n'umwantu n'umwe instead kandi ndebe ntabantu abadisizo mu kishaha zo zabeziriya yayija kwijayija na shayi 12 zahui yayenda kandi ngo agarakaze kwejemayo azegarkarwe. So police yaje ngo no so nuranze ngo abantu bakikora bakigenderire abamahurire bakwate police kugira ngo ngahatora then babone kugira ngo RDC nuwe mukuru wa security in every district. Turiye abwa security yawe candidate kandi turiye abwa security y'abantu abori kuza kwa dressing. So for us ito followinga ekimere kwa nchiko ebyatora hano at for example nyecho rampa hana nkogu amuriyata arukurga isinjiro aresirwe yashara za katete yaretwe kanyuma yaretwa BSU yakaya kubagira kandi okwaretwa ko shimekwa no rabo yaguruka yaza boda yatanka kusika DPC ngubwo na yetororo muchenyi ngubwo agati yetaho na rya boda ngubwo arakahi now isn't that a procession a general morova nesha hazahwire shahiye mwecuru shahiye 12 hatubaza kuzano umuzakatemba rero hatubwanyuma muza television zanyi za NTV muze koreka ensi police kwiyabaze
omukuru wa DC what causes all this extreme deployment during rallies? Some people are saying this is not normal. You deploy as if a country has attacked another.
Please, we are dealing na a defiant society. Twin leaders abakwenda kutaninga the present generation of our people into a defiance. So when you are dealing with a defiant society, you cannot take chances. Talk about taking chances. Zo kugira ngo ntuteka ngo ryizobo naza kujuma naza gukora ikikire abo tugerezo kugira ngo tubareke bakore ikikire turebere iki bakoze. So as a country ntutekwa kuba every time to prepare to make sure that in case you misbehave we have the capacity yo neutralizing to behave. So a deployment does not scare anybody. For example, Uganda is a NRM government. All security forces are no longer anti-people. Ukuranzi umuserikare utarapwateho utariba chawe utiriye cyarashobye chawe does not scare anybody. We are saying they are there. Yes, you have seen the soldiers moving or deployed. Konkar which bakora yunko muntu waburiju utari mu ngoro bwo muri yecho arwichi bakusisa. We are saying aba bana bato ijiminyeto iba remba ni turayizinga it defiance ni yo tukugira ngo no, we should put it order. Turebere ibintu byo n'ibisiskire binje abantu abekozise eminyeto unsuspecting. Tukarebe ibintu byabire Libya bakwata abana ababire baturaho government ibombekera amafarata ibombekire ki babaraberamu. They revolted, they started moving, they started fighting security forces, backing foreign forces. Biyaho government hati Libya eri mu kavuyo akatarako. So as a country ka Uganda tukumanye turigire, we cannot take that line. Numanye murigire, numanye mukuza turuho ahabwo burungi bwa generation eri kuza kubaho eri tumanye ti abantu abakono ngo barakoze reki ekimasana na hatukata kuza kwika. So kutukuma aba ubururu butakatahiremu sebo embere bireneshaje ubururu bwazamu sebo embera neshaje ningamba bakuba kwizoro nakubarwa umutaho no mu bamara gukora mwakavuyo urunako rukorataho embera neberwo nire ninga neberimbi. So ngo now their presence yo yonkane kuzinga
abinji abaru kugira ngo egenerwe kwaso abo kwatanureba everywhere by the way ahari kandi sibona bakwasire kabe muntu tumukunde mwen owagizire mu confrontation na police nibandi rotatingira ha SOPs abantu nibaza ku babinji mwen nkebyo abo kwa SOPs zo zizire na COVID. Before COVID there was nothing to talk about. Konga abantu kugira ngo egenerwe kwaso bajya ngo nenyimana kwe bitura ubutikiriza muntu kwa accessing abantu nibagira ngo guviro muze gwenkora
yayo ngoranze akaruru ke 2016 urebe nakaruru ka hati urebe akaruru ke 2011 embere yabiri ryo gubwire ni yeji SOPs nyena ngo tubanze twiciriza ne icyo bakweta issues uburwire bwa COVID-19 buruho ningatabo
bro
bwaba buru.
There is no sober person who can detest that.
So SOPs is nothing but ukuwa kwasa kwerindo burwiro. That is all. Now nyendo ndebere cyaguranye the president to be as he claims.
He does not claim he can be.
He can't because he's not the one.
He's not yet.
We abantu be message yo kwirinda uburwiro bwa COVID-19 ne reka tugiteka meza aha agitugambire twikirizane nayo ninga tubure kwikirizana
najya ntakweta abantu by the way naho najya ntakubeta nibiza bahuvira
no okay hati kwene kwa abantu kweta kubeta bakija yakwatanise na security personnel atumumbinjira abantu abo batije ninga hubwe naza kwatumuzindara bagambira abaserikare abo mutagaka kubakurikiza
program
imumukore bwa
nisisimuka kigumira munonga kubinga abantu kigumira munonga
yagambira abantu abakwiza
actually na president Museveni recently is it yesterday but one hina abantu bizire binji tiyabakwataho yabaramutse ngaje tumutagaruka kukikora it's very hard to chase away people
now cyaguranye yagambira abantu atumutagaruka kukikora yewe I believe ngucyaguranye kuyakubasa kugambana n'abaserikare bakaba baroho akagambira abantu ati mwe abantu mwe kasita mwande bamugarukiyo abaserikare bakagira very bad ninche yo kubinga abantu konka hatunwa arkubeta mwije mwange government ne yitu tutekwa konanga mwije is the one calling them and that is unacceptable. We cannot allow that. Tokubasa kugira ngo noyendo by the way you hatwe no ngo abantu bafeba rweho yonoza kutegeka ba ninga barafuterera karuru ba bamara kuterera karuru babacuru bafe
egesha warebe ingamba y'abantu kubagamba nibagira ngo hariho ibintu binge bikozerwe kandi nanyari kinare birizobere nko munyambara kikanshobera hari izobere bo bwani yabe narga ntunga makara bo mu mbaro naronkinga manifesto yabo kacheko it was a Saturday that very evening hari group y'imyeto ekabijuye t-shirt za yero ya retwari biri ataho mu mbara no masks no social distance no nothing they were not interrupted so some people like say harunda was standards as in terms of execution ekini kikorwa ubuntu aho kandi bagira ubutare nkakatari kumujungu kigwire umurwampara kino ntwine akatari kikakigura bukigura bikomene mfuzigarukire nka kuko zabeze benyimaho shangara abantu magananga ababasa bagira ngo covid yo ne kwatara political rally umujungu teriyo
konka uri kugambe ibyo kani wabiro rya television aha president kwabe nabana addressing ihanga kaube no mureba live tugwe ariko yambisa na radio ringi nankare tv ringi yanywa address yahererikire kugambira ihanga akagambira ki abo butare akagambira ki abo kuzika now president na supporting ikiri nchikorwa ninga takuchi the directives are very clear abantu amukuza kuzika mutarengaho abantu abembaga mutarengaho abo mukatare mukore muti now if those are adamantly abusing them echo tukumanyisa ngo president bachire go ahead. This is now about self-discipline. We are not going to deploy everywhere security forces omukatare ahakuzika omumbaga if that's what you want, but the regulations are there. Nichuru kureberana barabero wa RDC nka head of security wanoza nko bintu byo byembaga tubanza twakorsa over limited number kandi tugira ngo batarenga abantu magana 200. We are very clear about that. So twagamba abakora rallies mugendera abigiragire mbi, and the president himself is living by example. Hati mwe numutekateka ngo noyenda kuza ku exciting abantu ijo niyo nkora y'ubururu kashi kora exciting abantu ncyakare bafa uyina marwaro rwo kubarwarizamo uyina ba doctors bakumara ngwe noyenda ngo bamara kuterera karura bayo baciruho bafe utandike kuzika. Ijo no common sense, and we cannot play in the hands of very few selfish politicians. We can. This is very clear. Konka bamwe nibamanya ngo they will gain political capital as they confront with the police. Then babiminga ibishani to the outside world koreka how ungovernable Uganda is, which is not the case. For example, now look at Mbarara this morning. Look at Rwampara this morning. Isn't there peace and tranquility? Hati haru peace and tranquility. Ichikuba cyaretaho Uganda kubambi izoba ryuru kubaho erizoba niki ucuruga kwenda chikeje hakaterera. Why? Maybe we may start thinking politics in Uganda might be needed at this time, because to get service delivery amahanga ganda gakatsugakare ntwetaga ibintu bingi ebitakakiriziwe konka itwe twateka all the energies in the politics kandi tukugarura abantu inyuma a thinking yabo. For example, hati twine ekizibu kyo ku young generation. It is an established issue kuruga 86 population ya Uganda eyongira higuru ahubwo kugira ngo all the killer diseases NRM government is neutralizing. Umwana wena uri kuzarwa hati nakura uwazarwa nazarwaje andi agaruka kura natekwa kura hati population turugira miliyoni 19 hati turi ntuzo miliyoni 50. Aba bana ndumona baryaho nibenda kushuba nibende mirumu nibenda shelter nibenda kujwaraje nibende moto nibenda healthcare. The government must also think oku twakubasa kureba aba ambabo twabareba, and it is a process, it is not overnight. Konka waguruka yo rucyaguranye utimwe numbonabona ahabwiki turiyo ntunacharinga the young generation mindset thinking you have no ije mu rundu gumwe obagambira ngo ibintu byona nibasa kubaje in one day hato tugarre nyuma. Many take when you look at the United States of America, both Democrats and Republicans, at least ekintu ekibakubona bagamba nicyo kwombeka America kitari cyo kugishenya. But our politics in Uganda, umuntu nagaininga hakushenya kandi ari abantu bacyanguhira because aba bana bato, this young generation, wabagambira ngo ibintu bibasa kuba easy and achieved without sweating. Nicyo mwanguhira icyo nicyo kwenda konka mugambira uti ekintu ekyo waza kwachivinga ekintu kirungi mu life. It is a process you must invest in, not kwa kukora namani ubone kutunga iki kirungi.
Nicyo kandi turiyo ntugamba nsonga twakubasa kugenderaho kubasa kwerinda obwa covid okuzanjara binyo mbagamba kushena bajya ngo one of the greatest achievements za NRM nizobasa kwiza kurugamu failures zaba zitabe consolidated as in terms of kwera abantu bashomere hati nibakora ki. So bajya ngo maybe ekibina ningashiga government nete ko kutandika kureba hati okuruga nyuma kuri yo bwatwaturya tukatwaza ati kurebe bikwetagwa hati solving bizu byizobe
actually ntwirengamira abantu ikigambo cy'urujungu cyo kugira ngo NRM is becoming a victim of its own successes. What do I mean in my message? Wagira ngo abantu batafa bakanye ije ni success abantu batafa now wabarebe road bamara kukanya now it becomes a challenge. Wachitegereza so take freedom of speech mwigure radios mwigure televisions umuntu agambe freedom yaba misused yaba challenge of how to control who says what on a media. So those are the challenges, but it is the duty umurugo gwawe nanye nkumunya Uganda kureba ekirungi cya Uganda umuriyeri twahabara cy'abantu.
Kare wewe mnonga kutureba kandi twatuganira hansonga z'ekitushemeye gukora ombwiro corona yatahiremo abo kwa by'amagare bajyango tukarenga phase 4 turnayo oyine to kumana arga inaze kandi atubacho kwato ine ndwareje ngo bakubuza hoji. It is very hard to trace. So tumetwine omukuru RDC abarwampara imekatera turi abajenyi akagabo bagamuhera abo kubakira to hatwine kuka expiring.
Okay.
Hari abantu batureba.
So ikintu cyamuhero cyo kubanza cya byona ni nyendeza abanyambara n'abanyarwambara ukurunda ubwire burungi especially betware aba presidential candidates na LC5 candidates na ba member ba parliament bariyo babareba bariyo bakora baronde umwebembezi uba kumanya ngo naza ku cyakare kugira iki yabagasa bataronde umwebembezi ahubwo kugira ngo hariyo nazuma government munonga no basa kuvuga for example kacyaguranya ariyo nagambira abasirikare n'abakozi ba government ngo buri umwe naza kutandikira miliyoni emwe nko mushara abanza rebe miliyoni emwe n'umushara umwami cyaguranye yamara kuba president ziza kubanuzirganka twina abakozi ba government bangahi in the whole country kandi ukasustaining ngo every month noza kubashashara miliyoni emwe utiro pension utiro n'ibindi utiro na service delivery kora infrastructure and everything ubino oranze ngo nubasa kushara mugambira abantu tinza kwa miliyoni 10 buri kwezi konka noza kuba nozihanka. so abantu bashemere kusivinga the truth from the lies so nimbendeza kurungi kandi nyenda n'abantu bareba igi short time show mwe bari munongo kutuninga in konka ekikuru mubanze muhurikize exactly kinani ngambaho ibikwatagine n'akakoko ka covid-19 hamwe na campaigns eziriyo zigenda mu misho.
Okay, wewe mnonga omwami kati ya y'abagenyi RDC y'abarompara twaba mutahisa ne mu studio za TVS twantugana hashonge tushimikora ekikuru mnongo turacenge no kugira ngo bano wendo ha coronavirus ter selective tekutorana iyo ne kwata buryomwe nabo iki ware ya 4 campaign yo tajyango ne ya sparing ngo akwa mwamwine ho kitin sananga ecora akore kiriza engenderoho nabingaro yeho mwanya kurugama ntuzandizo zohara masking cyo kureba twatugumena zo hanuya kandi hatabaho excitement egeta kwetagisa guma or soba obwire bwona nimba sima mwe bari kureba kandi katugumize mu nebyemizano program ikisisimuka.